Yes, my people, you can see that the Norman Manley Airport is expanding. You can see from right here that they're doing a major upgrade on the airport. You can see them extending. They are extending there. Major expansion they are doing. So you can drive to the Palisade Road, like coming to Port Royal, and you will see the work is being done. I don't know which company is doing it. My people. I don't think I can fly my drone over here, you know. See how massive that work is being done. A lot of these aircraft is landing in Bay. Yes, Montego Bay. Because we don't have the runway for this certain type of plane to be landing here at the Norman Manley Airport. So, major work is being done right here at the Norman Manley Airport. So all of this, a few months or next year from this, all this will be land to accommodate a larger aircraft. We can see on the road to go to Port Royal. So anybody want to come through it, can come through Port Royal. Major upgrade, expansion is being done for the Norman Manley International Airport to accommodate larger aircraft. As I said before, by next year, August will be land. Will be filled up. Will be dry land. So a lot of, this is the runway, I think they're trying to expand the runway to accommodate larger aircraft. As I said before, larger aircraft are landing in Montego Bay, from Germany, I think England as well, type of Airbus. light up that light up button. Okay? You can see the truck coming with a lot of dirt going out empty. And also they are expanding Kingston Wharf as well. Yes. Because I think the Kingston Wharf not the entire Newport West. Yes, I have to do a blog on that one. The entire Newport West. So next few years from this, Newport West will be owned by the Kingston Wharf. So major record done at the Kingston Wharf as well. So if you can look behind right there, so you can see the port of Kingston. Look straight ahead, you see them tall crane there. This is the port of Kingston. As I said before, a lot of work is being done over there as well. Major work. Upgrading. So things are looking good for Jamaica. Very windy. I hope you guys here with me. It's very windy right here. As I said before, there are lots of grading that's being done. Norman Valley Airport. You can look far ahead right here so you can